Photos, lens button for identifying flowers or birds.
Is something that is just so cool. And we showed it to a couple people last week and they really liked it, so I figured we'd show it to you. And that is how you can use Google Photos and the lens button to identify anything, but flowers and birds are a real logical thing to do. So here I am in my Google Photos, and I'm just going to search for flowers, just to bring some on the screen here. And let's say there's a flower here that I want to know what it is. And let's see if it knows. You know, it's not always perfect here, but what you tap is this button right here. This is the lens button. Google Lens. And all these dots means it's analyzing what it sees. And look at that. I can verify that is a Royal Poinciana tree from our neighborhood in Florida. Let's see if we can get a bird. So I'm just going to search for birds. And there, actually, we were looking at one of these just yesterday, and somebody said, I'm not sure what that is. Now, you were pretty sure. Tap the lens button. It analyzes the screen, and it tells us that's a mallard, silly.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. All right. You can use the lens button for anything, but flowers and birds are a pretty obvious choice there. So that's my quick tip.